Meaning of ingloriously.
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 Ingloriously. The term ingloriously refers to a way of doing something without honor, praise, or dignity. When someone or something is described as being inglorious, it is often associated with failure, shame, or dishonor. For example, if a sports team loses a game ingloriously, it means that they not only failed to win, but they also played poorly and received little or no respect from their opponents or fans. Similarly, if someone is fired from their job ingloriously, it means that they were terminated in a manner that was embarrassing or undignified.